The SafeZone project is an 18-month collaboration between Zenotech and FlareBright and is part of the Innovate UK Future Flight Phase 2 programme. By the end of the project, we should be able to provide high-resolution CFD modelling of urban airspaces and airports, which will improve the safety and operation of drones and other aircraft.
Zenotech specialises in cloud computing and aerodynamics, and we're using our software to provide a model for the aerodynamics characteristics all around Cardiff Airport. We're going to be directly validating that with data taken from the Snapshot nano drone.
The FlareBright Snapshot nano drone has a miniaturised navigation system and is trained in a cutting-edge machine learning digital twin environment, which enables it to give an accurate measure of the wind. The data service is an online system called AirSight that Zenotech has created and is further developing. The FlareBright Snapshot drone is being upgraded as part of the programme to measure wind speed, with applicability to wind energy, military and civil aerospace applications.
People say that the seabed is the hardest thing to know about in the world. We know more about the moon than we do the seabed, but actually it's harder to find out what's going on just out of reach of my hand in the wind. It's incredibly hard to measure, and there's all swirls and shears coming off that building, and the only way we can sense that right now is with our nano drone.
The results are positive, and we believe that the validated aerodynamic environment data will be of use to a wide range of end users. Validated wind data is essential if it is to be used in onward air systems. We will be continuing the work in the future, and we are looking for partners in UTM data services, facilities owners with an interest in the data service, and physical platform developers looking to better characterise how their aircraft behave in real urban wind.